All right, we have a few quick steps to get our programming environment set up and ready for our next video when we actually start coding. Hopefully at this point you've built your sub-assemblies for your switch and your DC motor. In our next video we're going to get that motor spinning. So what we're going to look at today is how to get the Arduino program, our IDE, the Integrated Development Environment, up and running. So what I'd recommend doing is clicking on the link below this video to download the library, but I would like to take a few minutes to show you how to find a library online in case you're using a kit that's not in this classroom or in case you purchase something outside of school. So our programmer or our controller that we're using right here is the Tetrix Prism, okay? And I can see right here in this student workbook that you have access to that we're dealing with the Tetrix Max product line. So what I just typed in here into Google is Tetrix Prism, and the very first link I see here seems to be a product page, and I can see that it's done by Pitsco. And if I look back at my sheet over here on my book, it says Pitsco. So this must be the product page for this robot. And I'm going to click on it once and just verify that the information is indeed accurate, because there is a lot of fake information out there on the internet. But generally, if you search products such as this or another robot kit, generally the first few links come back will be the ones you're looking for, okay? Because they're making sure their algorithms bring their product to the top. So that is indeed the Pitsco education site. I have confirmed it says Pitsco up here in the URL, so I know I'm on the proper site. I haven't been phished or sent or redirected. And I'm going to scroll down and I can see it says description, what you'll get. Oh, there we go, downloads. We're looking for what's called a library. So the Tetrix Prism Arduino library is going to give us access to a bunch of features that are available in this book. If I scroll to the back of the book, we have these big references in the appendix about different ways to code or use functions that are already pre-programmed and set up for us so that we can really focus on understanding design and concepts and getting things working autonomously without having to code every piece of the robot. So to get access to this digitally, especially in our IDE, we have to hit download now. Okay, so hit download now. We'll see a little icon pop up here. That's great, it's downloading, and now we just have to actually install it. So how do you install a zipped library? Well, I know this is zipped because I can see it ends in zip, ZIP, and I can see there's a little zip icon. So we're going to actually open up Arduino. Okay, so on your desktop, find the Arduino program, open it up, and the first time you open it up, you should have something like this. Okay, you should have void setup, put your setup code here, and void loop, put your main code here. If this is showing up properly, you're good. So we're going to come up here to Tools, and we're going to go to, where did it go? Sketch. We're going to include a library. And then over here on the second drop down, we're going to hit Add Zip Library. So then what we're going to do is navigate to our downloads. So I'm going to click on this PC. I'm going to click on Downloads, and I'm going to find that file I just downloaded. It was the Tetrix Prism zip. Here it is right there. I'm going to open it. This will do an installation. You'll notice mine says a library named Tetrix Prism already exists. That's because I've coded it on this computer before, but yours should come back with a positive message saying the library has been installed. Okay. Once the library has been installed, we are good to start coding. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we are going to get that DC motor working.